This video will not have lot of cuts, edits and sounds unlike other YouTubers because this video is made for especially serious learners. Why? Because they do not need any kind of flashy effects just to grab their attention. So if you are ready to sit with me for the next 5 minutes, then in this video I'm going to share 5 daily use sentence patterns. Then let's quickly start it. So our first sentence pattern is one thing I love about dash dash dash. Here we use this when we have to say एक चीज जो मुझे इस बारे में पसंद है. For example, one thing I like about YouTube is here the knowledge is free of cost. One thing I like about my mother is she is independent. One thing I love about this book is it changes the way you think about yourself. One thing I like about traveling is you get to see lot of places. Hope you got it. Second sentence pattern is believe it or not. मानो या ना मानो मैंने ये किताब एक दिन में पढ़ ली है. Believe it or not, I have read this book in just one day. Believe it or not, I wake up every day 4 o'clock in the morning. Believe it or not, we are friends for 10 years. Believe it or not, I have learned English by myself only. Believe it or not, these sentence patterns are very useful for your English fluency. Now, our third sentence pattern includes two patterns in this. First, the best part is. Second, the worst part is. एग्जाम्पल, सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि आप इंग्लिश घर बैठे सीख सकते हो. द बेस्ट पार्ट इज यू कैन लर्न इंग्लिश एट होम. सेकेंड जो सेंटेंस पैटर्न है, द वर्स्ट पार्ट. सो सबसे बुरी बात यह है कि मुझे वोकैबुलरीज याद ही नहीं रहती. द वर्स्ट पार्ट इज आई डू नॉट रिमेंबर वोकैबुलरीज. द वर्स्ट पार्ट इज माई इंटरनेट कनेक्शन इज स्लो. The worst part is I am very foodie and I eat street food a lot. सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि आज मैं टाइम से उठ गई और मैंने सारे टास्क कंप्लीट कर लिए. The best part is I woke up on time and I completed my all the work. The best part is I have started learning English. The worst part is people do not value their time. The best part is I drink 4 liter of water. The worst part is I consume lot of street food. Our fourth sentence pattern is one thing that bothers me is. एक चीज जो मुझे परेशान करती है. एग्जाम्पल, एक चीज जो मुझे परेशान करती है मेरी बहन के बारे में कि वो बहुत क्लमजी है. One thing that bothers me about my sister is she is very clumsy. One thing that bothers me is you do not practice English speaking. One thing that bothers me about learning English is that how much time it's going to take me. One thing that bothers me about people that they do not think before speaking. And the last but not the least, I have a genuine liking for. मतलब कोई चीज़ मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है. I have a genuine liking for reading books. She has a genuine liking for traveling. I have a genuine liking for making content on YouTube. I have a genuine liking for helping people for learning English. The 5 sentence patterns are so easy but really powerful. So you must start using these 5 sentence patterns in your speaking. So you have to write down these 5 sentences into our comment section. Now, last thing I will say that I know learning English alone is very hard. You do not get environment. You don't know that what to do, what to study. Every day you are confused. Everybody is telling you do listening, writing, practicing, but every day you do not understand what to do. Same pattern every day you follow, but still you are not able to get fluency. So I understand. Learning English alone is a very challenging task. That's why I provide spoken English classes. So if you are interested, in the comment section you can see there is an email ID. You can mail me there and you can enroll yourself into my classes for learning English. There you get proper English environment. Okay, so meet you in the next video now.